What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? I got some new parts in my car, you know. Welcome to this next video.
What's up going on?
Yeah, man, what's up? Shut the hell up. Always hating, you know, it's Sean back there. So, in today's video, we got some new packages for the pro car, you know, the car that we're gonna try to win some clutch kickers in. We got some new packages for it. Mad excited. I didn't get to finish painting everything. I mean, I painted the hood, the side skirts, the railovers. I don't know, we made some progress on paint, but it's time to do some more upgrades. So we bought some more stuff. Let me show y'all what we got. Okay, so I've been having some problems on the last corner at clutch kickers where I would have like fuel starvation and the car would be underpowered. So to fix the problem, 10-gallon fuel cell with internal surge tank. Yeah, that should fix my problem. So we're gonna have 3 pumps in here and we're gonna have a surge tank. So that's the mission tonight. The mission tonight is to get that to fit in there and the car to start back up, because I have 2 other cars I need to build before even clutch kickers. So I'm gonna try to knock that out tonight to get my car back off the lift. So we already got rid of the stock gas tank. Brought in the handy dandy plasma cutter. Chopped as much metals out as we can so we can make her all lightweight. Look at all that space we got now. Damn, that 4-inch exhaust. So we're gonna try to mount the fuel. This guy. So we're gonna try to mount the fuel cell right here, right under the radiator, and we're gonna move it over to the right a little bit, you know, for weight distribution. So that's the mission tonight. Trash ass RB. Why are you mad? Because my RB look better than yours?
It doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Mine revs faster.
No, it doesn't. Mine revs way faster. I'll tell you what his problem is. See this right here? See the size of his starter body? It's just too big, you know? RB can't breathe that fast until it gets into boost. So that's way too big. Makes your shit slow.
We'll just let the people choose.
Oh, we gonna find out. Damn, sound like you broke some.
No.
Y'all know what time it is. It's progress time. Update time. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I got the first bar in for the cage for the fuel cell. And it's looking pretty good. Got it nice and level. Going all the way across the back. Maybe when I'm done, I'll probably like seal that gap or something if that helps. But now I'm gonna just like sit the cell up in there, let it rest on it. I'm gonna use my tranny jack and sit it where I want, and then I'm gonna measure where I'm gonna put the other bar, and then you know, weld the other bar in, and then I'll box it in. Alright, so this is kind of how it's gonna sit. I don't think it's gonna be a problem hovering over the exhaust, since you know the stock tank is metal. This actually has a bladder in it, so if anything, we'll just add some heat tape right here where it passes over the exhaust, but I don't think it's really gonna heat soak the fuel or anything. Now I'm gonna just measure a bar from obviously here to here, so the whole tank could sit on it, and then level it, weld it in, and then I'll build 2 on the sides going this way, and then we'll probably just plate it off on each side, and then that'll be it. The fuel cell will be mounted. Didn't really take that long. I think I probably got like an hour worth of continuous work in it, with cutting it out and taking the tank out and stuff. So far so good. Looking like we can get this done tonight, so let's keep pushing. So I got my spectators while I work.
We going home
We got a cage for a fuel cell. What you said? What you said?
What? We going home?
Going home. Team no sleep, baby. We trying to paint your shit tonight?
Shit, you know I got nothing but time.
Oh, all of a sudden you got number of times. I gotta wake up and be working morning at 5. Look at that cage. Got a cage and need some paint, need some blocking spots.
What about the top?
I don't want to weld there because I don't want, it's not gonna sit flat. So I gotta grind that down actually. But yeah, we're making progress. Come on, bring the cell over here, pop it in there real quick. Let's see. Let's show the people what it look like. I'm gonna box it in too. I'm gonna make those places. I'll make it out of aluminum or something.
You got it backwards, bro.
Yeah, flip it. Oh, it really does matter right now. Okay. Watch it not fit. Ooh. You gotta put it even, bro. See what I was saying about welding the insides?
Yeah, that welding inside. The shit on this side. It made it tight, boy.
Come on, Cookie. What you know what you're doing, bro?
That side up.
Look, that's
You gotta do it even. There you go. We got the Sean boots start getting them in. Don't scratch it up now.
that bit all scratched up now.
Ooh, no it ain't. Ah, yeah. That boy has a fuel cell. I think I'm gonna block this off still. Look.
Yeah, or else dirt.
We good to go. We good to go. Look at that. We ready. We ready. Now I gotta just put my surge tank in there, run 2 lines, and it's good. That's it. We good.
In there.
We good, right?
Yeah.
We in there. We in there?
We'll see.
Airwax.
All right, so we done ran home last night. You know, we had to go home last night because, you know, we got to sleep for some reason. But we're back today. Fuel cell is complete. I'm going to show it to y'all. We put on all the kit on the car. The car is looking good. We're going to paint my dog Cookie car today. Right, Cook?
Yeah.
We're going to paint his car. He going to get some. He going to join Blood Gang real quick.
Gang.
You know, all that stuff. He's going to join Blood Gang real quick. We're going to be in there. And for some reason, this guy working on his car. Well, I tell you what, man. Amazing grace. How oh, shit. So Bryce working on his car. Bryce, what you doing? Tell him what you doing.
Making the radiator mount.
Bryce joining Rare Radiator Mount Gang, baby. Come on. Look. No cage, but he going to have Rare Radiator Mount. He going to keep this K. Cool. K, yeah, he's still K. You know, you're K for life. You're 4-bang of life. I still respect the K's. Yeah, so he gonna make his rear mount radiator. We're gonna paint Cookie's car, but let me show y'all what we did with this this rear mount radiator. I'll show y'all the car a little bit. I know y'all got a sneak peek just now. See how good it looks. Look. Cookie, pop the trunk for me. It's still in the original location. So I went ahead and finished the fuel cell already. I mean, I don't want to bore y'all with me cutting and grinding and welding and all that stuff. So, you know, I just went ahead and put it together for y'all. I ain't gotta pull on it, just lift it up. Bam! Look at that. Your boy got a fuel cell now. Look at that. That looks good. Don't mind the little tape. It's because Radium didn't send me the filler yet, but it already has fuel. We already wired it up. We got the lines to fit. We starting to look professional over here, Monster. Look at that. Damn! All you see is the fuel cell now. You know. I mean, it's a little bit of a flex. Whatever. Yeah. So, anyways, also we was having a little bit of problem pushing a little bit of coolant out of the radiator cap here, so I blocked that off, and I did like I did in George's car. I put an overflow slash, what's that shit called? A swirl pot? It was like a swirl pot. I'm waiting on 2 fittings from a boy at Finish Line Factory. You know, a 45 and a straight, and then we'd be good. So the car is like, I'd say 80% ready for round 1 of clutch kickers. And we went ahead and we got the start putting the kit on. You got the overs on, you know, starting to get that look. Stunting on the real S15. We look better than the real S15 actually. The S13.5 looks better than the S15. What y'all think? Just go ahead and give me a like because y'all know it's better than the S15. Look at that. Damn, we got the KBD side skirts on. Man, this paint, y'all gotta see this paint in person. Y'all better show up to Clutch Kickers, come check the paint out. We got the Super Doof bumper back on, you know. It making that Threadstone intercooler look real good. You know what I'm saying? Making that Threadstone intercooler look real good. But you know, RB in there, man, that's just the sauce. So, but anyways, enough about my car. Look real good. Let's go check out Cookie's car so he can paint it. Yeah, damn. All right, so enough about my car and bragging and trying to stun on Sean. Cookie, car's in the paint bay. We gonna lay down some red, which you know, a little bit of sprinkles on there real quick. Get him looking good so he can start daily driving his drift car. I don't know why, but you know, we all been through that phase where we want to daily drive our drift car. So We gonna get him looking right here tonight. Alrighty. Let's lay some paint down. Ready to see your car?
Hell
So
yeah.
it's the next day. Cookie didn't get to see it. He had to leave to go handle adult stuff. But he back today and he gonna check his car out now. So let's go take a look at it. You ready to see this?
Hey, I'm gonna need a beer for this.
You gonna need a beer for this, man. That beer looks so good.
Oh, snap.
Woo! That boy opened the beer with his. Woo! What you think? Dang. You see the flakes? You can touch it. It's like a day old.
Galaxies on this.
Woo! He said he got the Galaxy. You know he got the flakes on there. Damn.
It's been nice.
Can you believe this was your POS from yesterday? It was multicolored. Now it looked like a brand new car.
Hey, I'm gonna be flexing on.
He ain't ready for this. He don't know what to do with all this.
Hey, I ain't gonna be ditch master no more. I know that, boy. Woo! Y'all motherfuckers better like, share, and subscribe for real, and hit that bell, baby. Yeah, we hit this.
Okay, so not even 10 minutes into his paint job, the video's gonna end. But this guy, somehow give me some light. This guy he already wrecked it. Oh, he already wrecked it. Damn, Cook, what you wrecked it into? No! Hey, Trump, you gonna see this tonight, bro. Oh, it was already broken. He give you a little love tap. He got his first love tap. Hey, Cook, bro, what you gotta say, man? Tell Trump, man.
Say right now, put some light on me.
You got some light on you, man. Say some shit,
What
man.
I'm about to say is,
Fuck!
I'm gonna be sending that bitch in the ditch again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ham on
You
him.
mad cursing, man. It's not cursing in the video.
I don't give a fuck right now, man.
Man,
Fuck.
it's okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay. Damn. Hey, Sean, you done got your first love tap, man. Cookie done got his first love tap.
Hey, show him the wing though. The wing ain't here.
Hey, oh, look at that. He put the wing on, though. He put the wing on. At least he got a wing, though. Like, share, subscribe, baby. You know what I'm saying? We'll see y'all next time. This guy.